alaikum 10th class. I hope that all of you will be fine. Students, in previous video I have told you about the main theme and idea of the unit number 3 and that is poem Try Again, which is written by W. Hickson. And in today's video we will discuss about the summary of this poem Try Again, and first of all I'll tell you how to write a summary. Basically, summary is the core idea of the poem, and your summary should be consist of 4 to 5 paragraphs, and you have to write a few quotation according to the main idea and the core of the poem. So students, if you are writing summary of 4 to 5 paragraphs, then you can write 3 to 4 quotation in your summary, and this thing will make it more appealing and attractive for the checker. Now come to the summary of the unit number 3 Try Again, which is written here. The poem has been written by W. Hickson. He was British educational writer. In this poem, the poet says that if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off. Dust yourself off, improve yourself, and try again. Every person has the power of to accomplish his or her own personal goals. Accomplish, ख़त्म करना या पूरा करना. Personal goals, ज़ाती मफाद या मकासद. But sometimes it is hard to reach that goal. And I have written here one quotation: develop success from failure. Sometimes we don't succeed at first. If a person tries hard, he will reach his goal. If a person gives up once, अगर पहली ही मतलब कोशिश में वो gives up कर दे, हार मान जाए, he will give up all the time throughout his or her life. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. Great people don't become great easily. It requires a lot of patience and trials. Trials, आजमाइश या इम्तिहानात. The poet says that if it is a lesson which we all should ponder over. Ponder over, गौर करना चाहिए हमें इस पे. In first attempt, if we don't succeed, we should try again. Failure or success doesn't matter. The thing that matters is the amount of effort that we put in. Further, the poet says, the poet further elaborates that putting efforts is not a disgraceful. Elaborate means बयान करना, वजाहत करना. Even though we lose the race, we should keep on trying. The task may be hard and laborious, but we should keep on trying. Laborious, दुश्वार या मेहनत तलब. Time comes when we will be paid back the reward in the form of success. The poet proves his point of view through examples. He says that we should do with patience exactly what great men of the past did to achieve their goals. Next is, we all have some sort of disappointments and setbacks in our lives. And students, disappointments, नाउमीदी and setbacks, तरक्की की राह में रुकावटें या hurdles, we can say that. But how we handle setbacks and failures speaks volumes about our strength. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. So guys, this is the summary of lesson number 3, Try Again. This is very easy and appealing material which I have told you now. I am sure you can learn it without any difficulty and problem and confusion. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.